Hi, this is Peter Stanley. Welcome to my channel. This is kind of an in-between update. I normally post these every 2 weeks, and this isn't a really pepper update, but I just want to show a system that I made over the weekend. I mentioned this on my last score update that I was working on it. So basically it's, this is the holy basil from the little germinating, sprouting things I made from water bottles. I did a video on it not too long ago. So they got big enough to need to be transplanted. So basically they're sort of set up like cracky plants now. And they're basically just set in cocoa coir nutrient solutions up just to the bottom of the 3-inch Ned pots. And so I've got a 5-gallon bucket reservoir full of master blend. And this feeds along through here into the tote. So this is just master blend there. So I've got a little float valve in there, and I made a, I can mount all this still here. This is just some plastic canvas. It's kind of coming loose a little bit, so I may need to figure out a better way to put these in place. But basically I hot glued it to create a root barrier so it doesn't interfere with the float valve. So I probably need to improve on that a little bit. It's still holding, but the sides have given a little bit. But anyway, so when the solution drops down as the plants grow and they draw up solution, it'll lower down, and then once it gets to a certain point around here, I think, give or take, the float valve will start opening. Will open and allow solution from the reservoir to flow in, so it'll maintain a static nutrient level. So that way, to keep it going, I just have to add, pour nutrients in my 5-gallon bucket. And so that'll be, hopefully it'll work well. I'm kind of testing it on these plants, but I think I could use the same type thing for peppers. And I got the idea from Matt Garver. I think B.A. Cracky has also done similar type setups. Typically people will use a controller bucket as the in-between with the float valve, and then that'll feed the growing containers. But I just wanted to kind of cut that out. I mean, try just kind of merging those two parts together and just use part of the tote as the float valve part, but just kind of protect it from the roots. So we'll see how that works. I've got the Kingbo 50W. I think it's really like a 35 or 40 watt, but it's called a 50 watt, but it's LED. Anyway, I'll post updates on this as that progresses, but just wanted to share that. Hope you enjoyed that. Thank you very much for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe.